the collision of anime, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. You hear that theoretical evidence.
What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the the subconscious, and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they are also removed from these phonological